Did you know that the global street food market is worth over $100 billion and feeds more than 2.5 billion people every single day? That's right, street food isn't just a cheap snack, it's a culinary powerhouse that shapes economies, cultures, and daily lives all around the world. I think it's amazing how street food has this rich, layered history, a journey that's as flavorful as the dishes themselves. From ancient marketplaces in Athens and Rome where vendors sold honey cakes and fried fish, to the bustling bazaars of Asia and the Americas, street food has always been about more than just filling your stomach. It's about community, survival, and creativity. But let's be honest, street food faces some serious challenges today. Health regulations keep getting stricter, making it tough for small-time vendors to operate. There's also competition from fast food chains, which can undercut traditional vendors with lower prices and flashy marketing. And then there's the issue of urbanization. Cities are growing, but space for street vendors is shrinking. Yet despite all this, street food refuses to disappear. I love tracing street food back to its roots. Imagine ancient Chinese cities where noodle stalls lined the streets, or the Ottoman Empire's kebab vendors feeding hungry crowds. In Mexico, tacos started out as simple street fare for workers. In India, chaat became the go-to snack in chaotic city squares. And today, the food truck revolution is bringing street food to whole new audiences, whether it's gourmet burgers in Los Angeles or banh mi in Paris. Each dish tells a story about migration, adaptation, and the pure joy of eating together. There was a real turning point when street food went global. For me, it all clicked during the 2008 Beijing Olympics, when the world watched as local vendors served up dumplings and skewers to visitors from every continent. Suddenly, street food wasn't just cheap eats, it was an authentic slice of culture, worthy of celebration and respect. So, let's recap. Street food has survived thousands of years, countless challenges, and keeps reinventing itself. Always delicious, always connected to the people. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment with your favorite street food memory, and tell me what food stories you'd like me to explore next. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty history right here.